Nana what say?
Nyameti ase ye kura mo pa de na ekwa.
Jaga P mu series na friend say.
O say
Jaga P mu series with TV say friend say.
O say o mu series so. La bi nyam do. Man
Jaga P mu series no mu TV say friend say.
Oh.
Ke.
Even better.
Let's try so. Okay, no.
Baby, how the fund here?
No, mommy. Next question.
Next question.
Okay, but the next question.
Mommy, a year Kumasi movie, and they, my friend say, Kumawood, if I'm Shasi.
Said DJ I wanna go. I wanna go.
Mommy, I jump to 4. Only be show more from Boga High Life and 9 Edin.
Hey, Boga High Life is the number. Boga High Life. O say. Na wo mai na kaguma sum na menkai.
Dey be dey say ekọ.
Kaguma sum na menkai. Na won timati za ye dey.
No, better hand of tomorrow. Producers are on chem. I'm not my yard.
O say.
Ubetimi abo adwum to ni otu so mo awieye tum awieye sinazia bana wa.
Na so bisa me Bible ni asori aseme na dey. Bisa me Bible ni asori aseme. Eya ni na. Eya ni dia dia confidence.
Ye kwa ni when na unya we.
O say.
Okay, mama ka chinchroye enan.
O say.
Ka chinchroye enan.
Eya radi Yesu eno dia send and.
Ka chinchroye enan.
And.
Kwai.
Na se ka bia sum nyame.
Ka chinchroye enan.
Anyame be ye. And that's all ho. Yem ko ye nim.
Okay.
Empire body.
Okay. Tresa be mu anayemu be.
Okay.
Futu funa fudanche funa mfu mu nyoma fu ye ba ko so mu didi anomo pre asechese
omo se o man hene
kire ebe mu
ananye no kire mu
futu funa fudanche funa mfu omu nyina fu ye ba ko so mu didi anomo pre asechese sen
asechese ze omo se o man hene
yenko jame na wo same ho asechese sen
eh eno de ya na anu ohye ba eno de ha
ko si de
okay, am I to a base? No,
to
a base.
Okay, to us, but you don't
no, yeah, they.
No, my own see you put it. And you tell me, you're bringing say, you're fear chikakra.
Okay,
it's sa kasa bebuo ni sa ne manema no wo ho no aka kai ho say because and essence e kasa yenti mi fra into ment ne kasa no ye jigum sa bebuo ho mfaso kasa ko ho mfaso so aditi enne no nipa dodo na nso no obi akra mpese obeka ne krom kasa eti bunu fo dwane fi om kasa ho aigbefo dwane fi om kasa ho krobofo dwane fi om kasa ho frafrafo dwane fi om dan na metina ka cho say enne kro de suku abenti no so obi koshia obi na so pronounce ade bi krana and so stylish am cheese stylish I wanna stylish I be stylish fra stylish but ni nyina no emwa my identity as a crow for ntimi ndimu wi
exactly
it mesro me and them the buy na say yanka hu se Ghana ba ko yanka hu no say ye kasa na is what makes us different
exactly
ye ntimi nkoshia ena ukọ baabi na wonte brofo a esu se wakemo ukọ baabi na wonte brofo a no kure Ghana heya na esu se wakemo it is good to have diversity in terms of language but one kasa native language you should be proud you should be very very proud
and okofia awofo kra ne omo man
yes professor mko another a year hu kra no because catch your baso nkofa apatowia mra no obusa say apatowia say dia
mommy what is it
yes apatowia obusa say dia it is apatowia mpo ne hu dia and nyoma
junior kofa so ye brem
problem beba fie
so yen ne saying
so at say and I said baby say it mesre awofo no all these things it might closer to our children and no track teenage pregnancy was 10 to 14 nipa do over 2,000 15 to 19 over a year 100,000 and so say the gap that even communication and the type of communication they ma and now no what has come up is that at what age do we start telling our kids or teaching them things about sex ebinim se do to opram na ebinim se infiesia na chance ebinim se infiedu na chance se wa ma saadie we an chance ofia na bontisi ni design church no come out ba ubenya problem all these things are very very important and they said the enya pa ne se miura ha no say sa signal ni na da so di enya anwana woni phone so CJ woni phone so
na se wo kana wo phone so
na make
di enya
so ata
man kita ho di enko yi
man kita ho di ayo problem wakotra dining table wono ma no oba ne kura ni phone obi kura ni phone one can also crowd phone. Moody do so So we should find time and break off all these technologies and destroy family relationship and other because I want for kwano and I do know say na mo share on pem na and come be din komo ahodo I be fie on buy de ofie omko adwom I want for na kasa oba no I feel that now for omo so afri amanoni abo mo ko wedding next that weekend no ono be chop on be man no so no I feel that man so I wanna Charity, he beat me too much. I tell you, there's always a gap. There's always a gap in young kufa. And sa gap no, ya obi the garbage. Everybody feel sa gap no. And now for weekend no. Matisse Ghana Health Service for somebody to share about for COVID-19 a year no. Never kika the best time to protect yourself and be yourself is one kasa say wa to and more observing the protocol. All of us, we have fallen short of a COVID one share. Any as of mine from a therapy form. Every day we call ICU, the figures keep increasing. It mesre. We sanitize our own sanitary tissue, nose masks, and all those things. Let's keep it up. It's an easy going Friday. But one you're careful, so a tough going Friday. Near caution your drivers, so.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. When I go weekend, or more moon shed and share you might driving, no. No man now a plankia boss and see we can often cook mass and often contact with the man. A Quenya Nabetama. Actually, is very, very important. Near Hona by skills are a obini bida. Okay. A baby not often share the uni, they be there the question some and then Yamina the man and Yamina the general.
Babra Oka driver for motor riders. Okada Fui. And they are
increasingly becoming stubborn. Increasingly. I don't see real rakan. And I feel so that make our big game so. Be 1 month in I said combating starting a year. Me be that fiesta. A short redness a motor original. Omo free Achimota besia omo de na so green we should fi game pa fiesta ba etiam se na opeso oye smart motor no na obiti green na so Achimota for niko oh na men kan beka sit na efe but nipa no me say
esun
epeja ni ko say
esun
and release in the bus oba na sisra oni wan say na body na etwa body aban e de kata so it was very avoidable. It must to motor for no message. Oppose for no mamu enough caution. There yakra traffic achia omu for them. Domudi boo side mirror, domudi chukano, domudi prenipa, domudi bonipa omu cross in between. Debbie. It message bebre say Woma yema ane no adam nim se ha na e kan na se obi di quench sign obi ka ho because
bishop ya woswaza
yiri ye ho na gender ministry social welfare ye empower mu na afi ye educate ye ho se sa ne o man nyina na emwa man puntu ene o man kan ko asodi ntia ene asem kwa na bata ma ye quantity o GBC no uko studio phone unyusu e be na phone kwa ko ring asodi na aba me mfa won so san kanche unya privilege na ko meeting bi It is a new team meeting. I meeting. And one our ringing tones, I hold on, or they are too extra loud. Every 1 second.
Now, ringing tones, you're there.
Papa. It's Muntia, one, I don't know about one of it. Muntia. Uko meeting, uko sorry, uko programmer. For two silence, Miss Round. For two person, for two kemu. Don't be distracted. Who you meeting? Make us in them and your bro studio. I wanna don't fool me outside to raise. Outside distracted. Please. You're going in there. There was studio. All these are distractions. You was studio and your bro. Say, yeah, programs managers requiring your boss. Oh no, my papa. Now came out for studio cranko. We always abuse every opportunity we are given as Ghanaians. I don't wanna. Why?
Aya. That's it. I'm here.
Papa, you know, Ubisa.
Oh, me the mama. When you go from boy, that's money.